Have you heard that Google Sites are disappearing? I have seen so many social media posts from business owners about them disappearing, but that's only partially true. I'm here today to tell you the full truth. As of March 5th, 2024, websites made with Google Business Profiles are no longer available, and customers that visit your site will be redirected to your business profile instead. That means that only if you created your website directly from your Google Business Profile a while back, then your website is no longer going to work. In April 2024, if somebody clicks on that, they will be redirected to your Google Business Profile. After June 10th, 2024, anybody that clicks on the link that you had before will just get a page not found. So you have until June 2024 to create a new website. Google Business Profile Help says that you can create a new website using many other tools. One of those is Google Sites. So I'll try this again. Any Google site that was made directly from a Google Business Profile will not work anymore after June 10th, 2024, but you can still make a Google site from your drive starting now. It will not go anywhere. So if you go to your Google Drive and you click New and you click More, you will be able to create a Google site in your Google Drive that will be housed there for free. Yes, a Google site for free. The only thing you need to pay for is the domain name. If you are interested in making a Google site like this, you can either grab my DIY Google Sites package, or you can complete my contact form so we can discuss having it done for you. Remember that you only have until June 10th, 2024 to make a new website. For more help or to discuss your options, click the links in the description below. I look forward to helping you and your business succeed.